Hey everyone. Today in this video we're going to learn to do the calculations about finding pH, pOH, hydrogen and OH ion concentration. So actually I was helping few kids to find the pH, so then I thought I should go with one video for finding the pH, pOH, hydrogen ion concentration and OH ion concentration. Rather I will show you in Desmos Calculator. It's pretty easy. So first little bit introduction, what do you mean by pH? So pH is nothing. It tells you uh, how much acidic or basic any solution is in terms of concentration. In terms of concentration, I use the word concentration. So concentration means I'm talking about the molarity. So if I said concentration molarity, it means you have to look at the units m. So better we learn pH in terms of a ruler, like we use the ruler to find the length, right? Simple ruler. So for pH also we have a ruler. These days we have a digital scale to find the pH, but when we do calculation we should know the basics. So yes, pH also has a ruler, a scale. Numbers start from 0 to 14. Middle point of 14 is 7. So if I said middle point, so it means this is your neutral zone. Neutral zone. And it's a pH scale. So I will tell you what does it mean. So the value range from 0 to 7. 0 to 7. 7 is a neutral point. So it means 6.99 is your acidic. And from 7 to 14 is your basic. It means 7.1 is your basic. So if we have to compare from the values, you have a bunch of values, let's say 0, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how to check which one is the strongest one? Lowest the value. Lowest the value. Here let's say lowest the value means the strongest. So this is on acidic side, so it's the strongest acid. And highest the value, max is your 14. So this will be your strongest base. Strongest base. So if you have to find a solution is acidic or basis, means quantitative analysis. I use the word quantity, so means value. I'm not saying qualitative. Qualitative means without calculation, your observation. So if you have pOH, if you have a pOH, pOH, that pOH value will not tell you if it's acidic or basic. You have to change that pOH value in terms of the pH to use the scale. So this is your scale. So pH value will decide if your solution is acidic or basic. I'm repeating one more time. If your value range from 7 to 14, then it's your basic. And if your value range from 0 to 7, then it means I'm talking about your acidic values. So yes, first thing, it should be very clear how to use this scale. All right, so let's go with the calculations. Keep your scale up. I will redraw the scale again so that you can relate your calculations here with your scale. There we go. This is your scale. 0, 14, middle point 7, less than 7 everything is acidic, and greater than 7 everything is basic. This is your neutral. So we drink water, so this pH is for water. Keep in mind that's why water is universal solvent. So I'm repeating, this is a pH scale. It's not a pOH scale. All right, let's go to your calculations. I have a bunch of questions here. So in the first question, find the pH of a solution has a hydrogen ion concentration 2.5 times 10 to power negative 4. So here is our simple formula. pH is equal to negative log of H ion concentration. So I will change this formula if I have to find hydrogen ions. So log is always base to the power 10. So if I have to find the hydrogen ion concentration, simple, just rearrange 10. This negative will go as a superscript pH at the end. And if I need pOH calculations, there we go. Just like your pH, you have a pOH. So there we go. I will slightly move log OH ion concentration. See, you can see the similarity. If you have to find the OH ion concentration, let's say pOH is given to you, just rearrange log is always base to the power 10. 10 negative, 10 raised to the power negative pOH. Here we go. So we have four formulas ready. There is one more formula which is quite handy. My kids, they love that formula. Let's say pOH is given to you, have to find pOH. pOH is given to you, have to find pH. What to do? You don't have to use all these formulas. Just simply use this one. What if we add pH and pOH? What's the total? Go back to your scale. So your scale range from 0 to 14. So when you add pH plus pOH, total will be equal to 14. Here we go. Okay, let's jump to your formula. So it says find the pH, hydrogen ion concentration given to you. So obviously I will go with this formula. There we go. pH is equal to negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. Concentration in square bracket. So negative log of hydrogen ion concentration is given to you. In place of H, write down the value 10 raised to the power negative 4. Now how to use log from the Desmos calculator. You have to go step by step. Whatever you have written in the formula, exactly same way you have to input same way in your calculator. So first in here is your negative. So I will show you. Go negative. Then it's log. I'm going back and forth. Log. So go to function tab. Find log. Here we go. Go to the main. You need now values. Values are 2.5, 10 raised to power negative 4. So 2.5 times 10 raised to the power. So pick a to the power. So first you will write negative. I will check negative 4. So here we go. Negative 4. Boom. What's the answer? 3.60. 3.60. So what do you think? Your solution is acidic or basic? 3.6. So 3.6 is here. So it means this is your acidic solution. Here we go. Acidic, sorry with the handwriting, acidic solution. Next question. Find the hydrogen ion concentration. Now pH is given to you. What to do? So we have our simple formula. Here we go. So you have to find hydrogen ion concentration. pH is given to you. Write the formula. Hydrogen ion concentration is 10 raised to the power negative pH. 10 raised to the power negative 8.35. Again, go to your Desmos calculator. So 10 raised to the power 8 to power b negative 8.35. 5. What's the answer? 4.46 times 10 raised to power negative 9. So it depends what your teacher is asking, how many digits, significant figures. So use it. I told my kids, so max you will go with the first three digits. So 4.46 is also correct. 4.47, if you're rounding off, is also correct. So I will write is equal to 4.46, 10 raised to the power, double check, negative 9. Here we go. So pH and pOH, let's check what do you have in this question. Oh, find the pH, pOH, OH ion concentration if a solution has a pH equal to 3.80. Now, how are you going to find it? You need pOH and OH ion both. So what to do? Let's use our handy formula, this formula. I will go with this one. I'm not going to all the laborious calculation. When I have a formula, I will stick to the formula. So pH plus pOH, total is 40. Let's find our pOH. So pOH is equal to 14 minus pH is equal to 14 minus 3.80. Okay, you can use any calculator. 14, but I will say for log and other sine, cosine, you go with your graphic or the scientific calculator if you are allowed to use. 3.80, so answer is 10.2. 10.2. I have now pOH. I want to find OH ion concentration. What we're gonna do, you have this formula here. Here we go. So you will go with this formula. So yes, you wanna find OH ion concentration. Write down OH ion concentration. In chemistry, square bracket means concentration. So if you are not writing, it's still clear that yes, we are talking about the concentration. pOH, oh sorry, 10 raised to the power negative pOH. There we go, 10 raised to the power negative 10.2. Let's go to your Desmos calculator. Clear all. 10 raised to the power negative 10.2, 10.2. What's the answer? 6.30 times 10 raised to power negative 11. 6.30 times 10 raised to the power negative 11. So here we go. Concentration will be with the M. So yes, that's all with your pH, pOH calculation. So how will you check if your solution is acidic or basic? Based on pH value. You can see here pOH is 10.2, but still your solution is quite acidic. Why? Because on the scale you will check pH, you will not check pOH. So don't be confused. If there is a second part of the question, find the pOH or OH ion concentration and decide if your solution is acidic or basic. I hope it will help you all, and stay tuned with the other video. In the coming days, you're gonna see videos about organic chemistry, types of organic chemistry reactions. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye-bye.